Hey guys, I'm Jamie and this is Pelican Unlocked, where we take a deep dive into all things Pelican. Today we're looking at the 1505 Air. This is an attaché style case meant to store things like laptops, drones, pistols, or integrated electronic solutions. It's about 22 inches wide, 16 inches high, and 6 inches deep, with the interior dimensions roughly 1.9 inches in the lid and 3.5 inches of depth in the base. Empty, it weighs about 5.8 pounds. What makes the 1505 Air unique is the integrated bezel mount solution. So it's got the panel frame here with the screw holes, so you can actually build integrated systems into the case without any additional accessories. Like all Air cases, it's made out of the HPX2 polymer, so it's about 40% lighter than a similar size protector case, and features the crush-proof exterior with the O-ring in the lid, so it's waterproof and dust-proof. It also features the stainless steel padlock hasps, automatic pressure equalization valve, and an overmold rubber handle for easy grip in wet and dry conditions. And like most Pelican cases, it's manufactured here in the USA with a limited lifetime warranty. The case comes in multiple variants, including case only, with pick and pluck foam, or Trek pack. So if you're looking for a compact, portable, and versatile solution, the 1505 Air is the way to go. And as always, if you're looking to protect your gear, put it in a Pelican.